Good morning. I'm so happy that you could join me again today. We have had a fantastic week full of new experiences and new knowledge and new countries and new continents and new letter sounds. And today in gardening, we have another new activity for you. As you can see, I am inside today. I did not go outside, mostly because most of my neighbors right now are mowing their lawn and it was a bit too loud, so I brought everything inside. But by all means, for gardening, if you are able to, you take this outside or you take it with you when you go for a walk. But first of all, my friends, let's welcome in the day together. Are you ready? The sun is coming up, the sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up, the sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up, the sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. When I sit at circle, my bottom is on the floor. My legs are crisscross applesauce. My eyes are looking, my ears are listening, my mouth is closed, and my hands are in my lap. Good morning to you, good morning to you. We're all in our spaces with bright shiny faces, and I say to you, good morning to you. Good morning, Miss Alexa. Good morning. What's your name? Good morning, everyone. I'm glad you're here today. Hooray! Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? Good morning, my friends, and what a beautiful day it is today for gardening, even though we're inside. But what day is gardening day? Let's have a look. So if yesterday was Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Friday, that means today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Will you help me count, please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Today is Thursday, April 16th. Hoy es el jueves, el 16 de abril. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Los días de la semana son siete, son siete. Los días de la semana son siete, son lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo son lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Sunny, 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 sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? S-U-N-N-Y is sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? Rainy, 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 rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? Windy, 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 windy. Is it windy in the sky? W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Is it windy in the sky? Snowy, 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 snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? S-N-O-W-Y is snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? What is the weather like today with you? It's kind of sunny today. So I'm going to sing about the sun, but you sing like the weather is like where you are. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I know a day just like today, and sunny was the weather. S-U-N-N-Y, 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 and sunny was the weather. My friends, it's so good to see you today. I'm so glad that you could make it, and I'm excited that you have been watching and learning along with me with Circle Time. So today is gardening day. We're doing something a little bit different just because not necessarily everybody has a garden and is able to get outside, but we are going to do some rubbings today to go with our letter sound of the week. Rubbings. Well, what's a rubbing? Well, I'm sure a lot of you actually know what a rubbing is, and I'm sure a lot of you have done them without maybe knowing what the name is. But you don't necessarily have to do it with things from outside. You can do it with things in the house. Let me show you how I started. I brought my trusty table over again, so I'm going to pull it forward because it seems to work out so you can see a lot better. With this work, I have to use a table because I squeak. Here we go. This is a beautiful sticker that my daughter put on here, Elizabeth, and it says dream big. And I like to keep it on here because it reminds me, dream big. Great message, huh? So I put a tray, and so I went outside and I got a tray of, well, this was our nature tray. There's a lot of rocks on our nature tray because I don't know about you, but Elizabeth loves to collect rocks. So we have a lot of rocks, and we have pine cone and some leaves and some bark that fell off the trees and some parts of little plants that came off too. I'm not sure what this is actually, but it was off one of our trees too. So I thought I would bring this over to try and do some rubbings from what we have on our tray. So if you're able to go outside and you have a garden, you can actually take yourself outside, maybe with a little blanket, and sit down and go and collect some things to rub, or you can actually go straight up to a tree and do this. I'll show you how to do this. Or you can collect some things if you go on a little walk near your house. If you're not able to do that, you can go around your house and have a look for things. I picked up a basket and then I realized I could even lay the basket down. Take a rubbing of the basket. I'll show you that too. And in here, I have an orange. I got it out the fridge. We can rub on the outside of an orange with a peel. And I have some coins. We can do coin rubbings. Coin rubbings are really cool actually. Cha-ching. And I have a medal that I have. And anything with a raised surface. A raised surface you can rub. It's kind of cool, huh? Leapfrogs. And anything you can find around the house, you can do rubbings of too. But I'm going to start with some things from my nature tray. So I think I'm going to use the bark now. The best thing to take a rubbing with is to use one of those fat crayons, or even small crayons are great because you can take the paper off and you can just rub them back and forwards. Now, for having toddlers and for having a million crayons, Miss Alexa could not find one crayon today. How crazy is that? And because, you know, I'm not going to the store right now, I didn't go and buy small crayons, so I'm using what I have in my house. And it's great because it makes you really think about what you can use. So I found some colored pencils. They don't work as well, but they'll do. I would recommend pencils more for older children who have their correct pencil grip rather than younger children. If you could find something for a younger child to use, if you have the crayons, it would be much better. But if not, go with what you have. Let's have a look. I'm going to take my bark. And what am I going to do my rubbing on? Paper! Some thinner but strong paper. So I'll take my bark. I'm going to put my paper over the tops. And I'm going to take my pencil. Oh, got you. Ready. I'm going to try and use the edge of my sharp point instead of downways to get a nice rubbing on my paper. My mark. And do you know what? It looks like the continent of Africa. That was a complete accident, but that's what it looks like to me. Oh, I feel so happy that I made this. Let me try something else. I'm excited to try something else now. Maybe I'll try a leaf. Now this is a fresh leaf. It blew off with the storm that we had yesterday. I don't like to pick leaves off the plants because when you pick them off, they die. So it's better when they're living and they're on the plant, leave them on and look at them with your eyes. But if they fall to the ground, you can pick them up. Let's try a leaf. I get my other paper. Let's see how it does. Ready? Listen to the sound it makes as I do my rubbing. Oh, this is nice. Oh, wow. I think I'm going to put this one on my fridge. All of the veins that run through the leaf. Do you know what else I noticed? Can you look very carefully on the outside? I noticed that my table, this table, which I painted on with chalk paint, look, the pattern from the table comes through. So you can look around your house and see if any of your furniture can make patterns too. These are my rubbings. I would love to see the rubbings that you come up with. Would you like to sing a new song? It's a springtime song and I'm learning it too. There's a lot of songs this week I'm learning, and we're also going to revisit some of our old songs, especially tomorrow, and more of our Spanish songs tomorrow, because I know Thursday is Spanish and music day and we haven't done a lot of Spanish recently. So tomorrow we're going to do some more Spanish songs and some singing. But watch as we watch and listen to our new song. It's a spring song and it's about sunshine, but we'll learn it together. Are you ready? Okay, let's go.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine. Shine down
play your instrument.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you, please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Please shine down on, please shine down on me.
It's a fun little song. It's a fun little song, and I need to learn more too, but I really like it for the springtime. So we are going to end today on some sunshine breathing. So we are just going to be full of energy, full of brightness to welcome in our day. Get ready for our Thursday. Are you ready? We're going to breathe in and out with a big smile. Breathe in and out. I know you can do it bigger than that. I'm going to move my plant so I can get bigger than that. Ready? In and out. Still in the way a little bit. One more time. Are you ready? In and out. Are you ready for a wonderful Thursday? Yes, me too. I am going to go and do some more rubbings. I love doing the rubbings of leaves. I'm going to find some more leaves on the ground, and I'm going to do them all different colours and post them on the Facebook group. I can't wait to see yours. Have a wonderful day, and come back tomorrow because we are dancing, we are singing, and we are doing Spanish. Goodbye.